Page 42, Jacob's Ladder. Cut time, or 2/2 time, but I'm going to talk about it in 4/4 time, and I'll put it in 2/2 time later on. Anytime I get a piece in 2/2 time or cut time, I put it in 4/4 time or common time until I get it learned, and then I put it in 2/2 because it's just easier for the counting and all. And we're still in the key of D flat major, the 5 flats. Everything's flatted except an F and a C. Otherwise, you're playing black keys. Right hand first, third finger on the F. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, A flats. If you want the thumb on that, you can use second finger if you want. So you can reach up with third finger because they're all black keys. Now reach up here. Lots of D flats. And the last one, come down. So you're playing all black keys except the Fs. The left hand, all you have are these chords. It's the 1 chord, 5/7 chord, down a third line, third measure, it's 4 chord. Just the primary chords. Put them together, what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't this fun? As far as articulation goes, it's all connected. It's all legato except for the end of each line. Lift up the right hand so here, then lift up. That's the end of a phrase, to lift up. So it's like taking a breath. That's the right hand. The left hand just stays connected all the way through. Everything is connected, but you lift up in the right hand. So the last measure, the first line is here. To go on, I'm going to lift up. I mean, I'm lifting up in the left hand because I have to. I'm playing chords, but I'm lifting up more in the right hand. It's a longer silence in the right hand. And I'm doing it at the end of each of these lines, except the last line, both hands come up together. Then you can put it back and cut time. Well, these are 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just keep the left hand steady, but keep it really, really quiet because we want to hear the right hand. So careful, because there's more notes in the left hand. It can overpower the right hand easily. Keep that left hand very soft all the way through. At the top, they say you can transpose this to D. Again, you're just playing what's written, except now you're in the key of 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. You just play these notes, but play an F sharp or C sharp instead. And so forth. Then at the bottom, there's more verses to this, so you just keep repeating it for each verse. And they're suggesting you use different styles of bass. And we've covered different broken patterns for chords. So try those. Try this, and you got the. Try that. This our Brady bass. Try that, and it's up to you and your imagination as far as the pattern you want to use. It's just whatever. It's just don't play it the same every time. If you repeat it, change something. Because this repetition, it's part of interpreting things. Is when you repeat something, you want to change something. Don't play something twice exactly the same way unless the music specifically tells you to. And I don't recall ever saying that. So Let's play this together very slowly, and I will do it in cut time because all you got are half notes and quarter notes. That's not that bad to count. So I'll give us 4 counts. That's 4 half notes, and then we'll play this through just to make sure you got the right notes and the rhythms. Dynamic-wise, get to know the piece, and then you feel the dynamic. They don't give you a lot to go by, so good luck. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and